हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज के इस वीडियो में मैं हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर 4 अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ कलेक्टिव एक्शन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड एनालाइज से 2 मार्क्स वाले इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगी और साथ ही उसका आंसर्स भी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर व्हाट ऑब्जेक्टिव द इंडियन एसोसिएशन भारत सभा वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड। इसका आंसर होगा द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स बिहाइंड द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ इंडियन एसोसिएशन was first point organizing a strong public opinion in the country. Second point is uniting the various people of India on the basis of common political ideals. Next question is what was the role of the painting Bharat Mata in the evoking of nationalism in the 19th century? इसका आंसर होगा अभिनिंद्रनाथ टैगोर personalized the figure of Bharat Mata to influence the sense of nationalism among Indian and organize them in the struggle for freedom. Next question is state 2 difference between the Landholders Association and Indian Association. इसका आंसर होगा फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज Landholders Association was formed by Dwarkanath Tagore for shaking the interest of zamindar class only, while Indian Association was established by Surendranath Banerjee for organizing a strong public opinion in the country. Second point is the Landholders Society failed to take root in area outside the Bengal, while the branches of Indian Association were spreaded to outside Bengal also. Next question is when and where did Queen Victoria's proclamation read out? इसका आंसर होगा Queen Victoria's proclamation read out on 1st November 1858 in the court of Allahabad, organized in Minto Park. Next question is what was the main cause of the revolt of 1857 AD? The main cause of the revolt of 1857 AD was the introduction of infantry rifle in the Indian army. Next question is give 2 reasons to establish the Sepoy Mutiny as the national revolt. First point is mass participation of common people. Second point is anti-British attitude of revolutionary. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द इन्फेंट राइफल। इसका आंसर होगा इन्फेंट राइफल वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ब्रिटिश इन 1857 विच नीडेड स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ cartridge which had a grease paper cover. The rumor spread that the grease used in the paper was made of beef and pig fat. Next question is how did Gaganinath Tagore criticize colonial society? इसका आंसर होगा by the vivid characters like the false Babu, alike Babu of his caricature. Gaganinath Tagore criticized colonial society. Next question is what was the main objectives of the Queen's Proclamation? इसका आंसर होगा the main objective of the Queen's Proclamation was to make necessary reforms in the administration and to end the rule of East India Company from India. Next question is write 2 objectives for founding the Hindu Mela. The main objective of founding the Hindu Mela was to unite Hindus and influence sense of nationality among them. Next question is what was the objective behind the foundation of Hindu Mela? The main objective of Hindu Mela was to unite Hindus and influence the sense of nationality among them. Next question is what information did we get from Anandamath? Anandamath gave information about Sannyasi revolts and the Great Famine of 1770 AD. Next question is what was the immediate cause of revolt of 1857 AD? The immediate cause of the revolt of 1857 was the introduction of infantry rifle in the army, which needed a special type of cartridge which had a greased paper cover. The grease used in the paper was made up of beef and pig fat. This enraged both the Hindu and the Muslim sepoys. Next question is what is the subject matter of novel Gora? The subject matter of novel Gora were friendship, motherhood, love, casteism, nation and nationalism, religion, spirituality and contemporary issues of the country. Next question is what is the main aim of the figure Bharat Mata being drawn by Abhinandannath Tagore? The main aim of the figure Bharat Mata being drawn by Abhinandannath Tagore was to influence the sense of nationalism among Indians and promote them in the struggle for freedom. Next question is name some leading books of Gaganinath Tagore. The leading books of Gaganinath Tagore were Bajra, Adbhut Lok, Navhuloday, etc. Next question is who were Alik Babu and the False Babu? Alik Babu and False Babu were the main characters of satirical dramas of Gaganendra Tagore. Next question is who and when wrote Navholode? Navholode book was written by Gaganendra Tagore in 1921 AD. Next question is who and when performed the drama Bharat Mata? Kiran Chandra Banerjee has performed the drama Bharat Mata in 1873 AD. Next question is write the name of the two famous painters of India. Abhinavnath Tagore and Amrita Shergill were the two famous painters of India. Next question is who and when draw the picture of Bharat Mata? Abhinavnath Tagore draw the picture of Bharat Mata in 1905 AD. Next question is what is the chief feature of the picture of Bharat Mata been drawn by Abhinavnath Tagore? The chief feature of the painting Bharat Mata by Abhinavnath Tagore were that the painting of Bharat Mata is bountiful and beautiful. Her feet are delicate and her head is surrounded by a hollow. In her hand she holds a manuscript, in another a bundle of newly ribbed cone, in another hand she holds rosary, and in another a piece of cloth. Next question is why is the second half of the 19th century called the age of associations? In the second half of the 19th century, many associations like Landholder Society, British Indian Association and the Indian Association formed, so it is called the age of association. Next question is who and when founded Banga Bhasha Prakashika Sabha? Gauri Shankar Tarkabagis founded Banga Bhasha Prakashika Sabha in 1836 AD. Next question is what information do we get from the caricature of Gaganendra Tagore? The caricature of Gaganendra Tagore gives us information about the life, clothing, language and the behavior of the people of contemporary Bengal. Next question is who and when for the first time called the Revolution of 1857 as First War of Indian Independence. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar in 1909 AD called the Revolt of 1857 AD as the First War of Indian Independence. Next question is who and when founded Bengal British Indian Society? इसका आंसर होगा बंगाल ब्रिटिश इंडिया सोसाइटी वॉज फाउंडेड बाय जॉर्ज थॉमसन in 1843 AD. Next question is who and where founded East India Association? East India Association was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in London. Next question is who and when founded Purna Sarvajanik Sabha? Purna Sarvajanik Sabha was founded by S.H. Chiplankar, G.V. Joshi, Justice M.G. Rande in 1870 AD. Next question is who and where founded Indian Society? Indian Society was founded by Anand Mohan Bose in London. Next question is who and when founded Madras Mahajan Sabha? Madras Mahajan Sabha was founded by Raghavanchari and S. Iyer in 1884 AD. Next question is who and when wrote the novel Anandamath? Anandamath novel was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882 AD. Next question is what is the subject matter of Vartaman Bharat? The subject matter of Vartaman Bharat was the message of Vivekanand about national, cultural and political issue and voice against casteism and priesthood. Next question is with what purpose was cartoons drawn? Cartoons are drawn to give information about the life, clothing, language and the behavior of the people of contemporary. Next question is what was the nature of the educated Bengali society towards the revolt of 1857? The nature of the educated Bengali society towards the revolt of 1857 was totally apathetic. They did not participate and even support to the revolt. Next question is when and who founded Landholders Association? In 1838 AD, Dwarkanath Tagore founded Landholders Association. Next question is who and when founded British Indian Association? British Indian Association was founded by Raja Radhakanta Dev on 2nd October 1851 AD. Next question is who and when founded Purna Sarvajanik Sabha? Purna Sarvajanik Sabha was founded by S.H. Chiplankar, G.V. Joshi, Justice M.G. Rande in 1870 AD. Next question is who and when wrote the novel Anandamath? Anandamath novel was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882 AD. Next question is from which novel the song Vande Mataram is taken? Anandamath of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next question is what is Doctrine of Lapse? The Doctrine of Lapse was an instrument by which Lord Dalhousie wanted to expand the British dominion in India to its greater extent. Many native states were annexed to the British Empire when their rulers died without a natural heir. Next question is which states were annexed to the British Empire by Doctrine of Lapse? By the Doctrine of Lapse, Satara, Nagpur, Jaipur, Sambhalpur, Jhansi, etc. princely states were annexed to the British Empire. Next question is why was the sepoy revolted in Barakpur? इसका आंसर होगा the sepoys of Barakpur revolted against the use of Enfield rifle which needed a special type of cartridge which had a greased paper made of beef and pig fat cover. और यहीं पे ये वीडियो एंड होता है और जितने भी 2 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चंस चैप्टर 4 से थे जो इम्पॉर्टेंट लग रहे थे वो मैंने बता दिया इस वीडियो में। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।